Open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. If not, go to the Play Store or App Store, search for WhatsApp, and update it. Now, swipe up on your WhatsApp chats to find your locked chats. Tap on it and unlock it using your fingerprint or password. Once you're inside, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Chat Lock Settings. You'll see that Secret Code is currently turned off. Tap on it to enable it. Now, create your secret code. Type in a code you'll remember easily. Enter it again to confirm. You'll now see Secret Code On next to the option. Now go to your PC and open WhatsApp Web. Try to open your locked chats. It will now ask you for your secret code. Type in the code you just created. Your locked chats will now open instantly right on your PC. That's all it takes, a simple secret code, and your locked chats are fully accessible on PC. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.